kids. Come and see. Let's learn birds. 1, 2, 3. Parrot, parrot, green and bright. Parrot talks. Hello, hi. Eagle, eagle, flying high. Big, big wings in the sky. Peacock! Peacock, peacock, colors bright. Pretty feathers, what a sight! Sparrow, sparrow, small and sweet. Hop, hop, hop on little feet. Owl, owl, eye so round. Hoot, hoot, hoot! Night sound! Duck, duck, quack, quack, quack. Swim, 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 splash, splash back. Pigeon! Pigeon, pigeon, soft and gray. Fly together every day. Parrot, eagle, peacock too. Say the bird names, me and you. Good job, kids.